Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to log into GoodBudget account using the GoodBudget mobile application. So let's get started. Since the process is quite easy, tap open GoodBudget application from your app drawer. Once you get to this interface, tap on the login button. This will then take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your email and password. If you don't remember your password, simply tap on the forgot link at the top right corner of the screen. But if you remember your credentials, you can type it down just like that. Type in your email address first, or you can also type in your username. Now on the next field, type in the correct password for your account and tap on Go. Once you are done, you will be able to log into your GoodBudget account. All you need is your credentials correct, and you'll be good to go. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.